If you've ever started a YouTube channel before and it didn't work out, you're not alone. Thousands of creators quit every single day, and most of them make the exact same mistakes. The first mistake is inconsistency. A lot of people start YouTube excited. They upload one video, then another, maybe 3 or 4. The views are low, the subscribers aren't coming in, and they start thinking, maybe YouTube just isn't for me, so they stop. The reality is that YouTube needs data. The platform has to learn who your audience is before it can consistently recommend your content. If you quit after a handful of videos, you're not giving the algorithm or yourself enough time to learn what works. The second mistake is posting random content. Imagine subscribing to a channel because they teach YouTube growth, and the next upload is a cooking vlog, followed by a travel video, then a skincare routine. As a viewer, you'd be confused. Your audience subscribes because they expect more of the content they enjoyed. When every upload is about something completely different, viewers don't know why they should stay. The third mistake is focusing on equipment instead of content. Many new creators spend months waiting until they can afford a better camera, microphone, or lighting setup. Meanwhile, someone with a smartphone and valuable content is growing every day. People come to YouTube for solutions, entertainment, inspiration, or education.
They stay because the content is valuable, not because the camera costs thousands of dollars. The final mistake is expecting instant success. Many creators think they'll go viral after 1 or 2 videos. When that doesn't happen, they lose motivation. But YouTube isn't a lottery. It's a long-term platform where consistency, learning, and improvement matter far more than overnight success. Let's talk about expectations, because this is where many creators become discouraged. Your first video probably won't go viral. Your first 10 videos might not perform well either, and that's okay. Every video you publish teaches you something. Maybe you'll learn how to speak more confidently. Maybe you'll discover which thumbnails get more clicks. Maybe you'll realize your hooks need improvement. Every upload gives you valuable data. Instead of asking, why didn't this video go viral? Ask yourself, what did this video teach me? Shift your mindset from chasing viral moments to building long-term skills. A realistic goal for your first few months isn't to become famous, it's to improve. Can you make your next thumbnail better than your last? Can you write a stronger title? Can you keep viewers watching a little longer? Small improvements repeated consistently lead to massive growth over time. Remember, every successful creator once had 0 subscribers. The difference is that they kept going. One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing your niche. A niche is simply the main topic your channel focuses on. Many people overcomplicate this step because they're afraid of choosing the wrong niche. Here's the good news. You don't need the perfect niche. You need a clear one. When choosing a niche, ask yourself these 4 questions. First, what do I enjoy talking about? You'll be creating content for months or even years, so choose something that genuinely interests you. Second, what am I knowledgeable about or willing to learn deeply? You don't have to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be able to provide value to someone who knows less than you. Third, can I create at least 50 video ideas on this topic? If you struggle to come up with more than 10 ideas, your niche might be too narrow. Fourth, is there audience demand? Search YouTube. Are people already watching videos on this topic? Are creators getting views? If the answer is yes, that's a good sign that people are interested. A profitable niche sits at the intersection of 3 things: what you enjoy, what you're good at, what people are actively searching for. That's where you want to build your channel. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is saying, my content is for everyone. If your content is for everyone, it usually connects deeply with no one. Instead, picture one person. Who are they? How old are they? What are they struggling with? What are they trying to achieve? What questions are they typing into YouTube? The more clearly you understand your audience, the easier it becomes to create videos they actually want to watch. For example, instead of saying, I make fitness videos, say, I help busy women lose weight with simple home workouts. Instead of saying, I teach YouTube, say, I help beginners grow their YouTube channels with simple strategies. Specificity makes your content more relevant, and relevance is what attracts loyal subscribers. This is one of the most powerful concepts in content creation. People don't watch videos just because they're interesting. They watch because they want to become a better version of themselves. Every successful channel helps viewers move from one point to another. Think about it like this. Before watching your content, where is your audience? Maybe they're confused. Maybe they're overwhelmed. Maybe they're making mistakes. Now ask yourself, where do they want to be after watching your videos? Confident? More knowledgeable? More skilled? More productive? Your job as a creator is to bridge that gap. Every video should move your audience one step closer to their goal. For example, a cooking channel transforms someone from "I don't know how to cook" to "I can confidently make this meal." A finance channel transforms someone from "I'm struggling with money" to "I understand how to manage my finances." A YouTube growth channel transforms someone from "I don't know how to grow my channel" to "I have a clear strategy for getting more views and subscribers." When planning your videos, always ask yourself one question. What transformation will my viewer experience after watching this? If you can answer that clearly, you're already creating content with purpose. Everything else you'll learn about YouTube, titles, thumbnails, editing, SEO, analytics, becomes much easier when your foundation is strong. So before you upload your next video, make sure you know what your niche is, who your audience is, what problem you're solving, and what transformation you're helping people achieve. Once those pieces are in place, you're no longer just uploading videos. You're building a channel with direction, purpose, and long-term potential.